Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on it and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review, whoever you are. And you might as well take advantage of the Prime Day deals going on now. Got Father's Day fast approaching. And you might want to get him one of these. Especially if he's a gamer. And coming from my good friends over at Redragon. This is a ViperFly 3 modes flywheel gaming mouse. 2600 DPI. RGB. Ooh, baby. Argo shape for palm grip. Dual mode. 400, 800, 1600, 2400, 3200 DPI. Wired 2.4, Bluetooth, max to 2400. And there's that Argo shape. So, might as well take advantage. Maybe play some Fortnite, Call of Duty, or maybe GTA 6, if that ever comes out. And, or you could just use it for your normal editing stuff. So it's up to you, or your music thing. And of course, you get the Redragon sticker pack. Oh, here we go. That right there. Now here is the dongle. Oh, it is wireless. Whoa. Really nice design. There's the flywheel. USB. Charge. There's where you could switch. Non-slip cards. Side buttons. And you can go on the website and download the driver. I'm sure there's going to be a few of them. And then check them out. So you know how to do this. Really nice cord they have. Your animal ain't going to chew this, whatever kind of animal you have. Or your kids. Which are animals, so it's all good. Let's see if I can just use it over here. Oh, there, over here. Somewhere. There we go. Bada boom. Bada bing. And you can adjust the colors once you go on the Redragon site. All that good stuff. And customize it the way you want it. Here we go. It's really nice. Let's see how this feels. Yeah, see, I like this. This might be my new mouse. Nice clicking. Yeah, this is nice, guys. So if you're looking for something different, definitely like the feel of this. I got a space between these two perfectly, and it feels good. Thumb, perfect. You can always adjust. Right here's a couple buttons. That's for DPI. Whoa. Right there. Next to this. Really nice grip for your wrist. So, really cool. Definitely a keeper. Alright, check them out, YouTubers. Redragon. A lot of cool stuff they got for your PC gaming needs. Esports and everything. So, custom PCs they do now. So, definitely take advantage. Either through Amazon, which now is the Prime Day sales, or you can always go on the website, Redragon.com. Check it out. Links will be down below in the description. But might as well check out Amazon because of the sales. So, alright, be safe. Have a good night.